Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to install our 3D MAXpider floor mats in our Chevy Bolt. And really what this is designed to do is to explain whether 3D MAXpider form-fitting, floor-fitting, custom floor mats are any good or not. And I don't know. I've ordered lots of floor mats over the years that are custom fit, like WeatherTech and other guys. These guys are cheaper, and I'm going to give them a shot. So, regardless of what kind of car you've got, whether you've got a Tesla, whether you've got, Chevy, it doesn't make any difference. Whatever you've got, pickup truck, whatever you got, let's see how they work in this Chevy Bolt. I'll show you why I'm changing mine, because it's kind of fun. This is why I'm changing mine. Mine came with factory crappy mats, and you can see the guy that owned this before me. Yeah, he was huge, and he wore boots. And he burned a hole right through the floor mat. In fact, I thought he might have burned a hole all the way through the actual floor, but he didn't. It's just the mat. So let's take this out. Okay, so I have vacuumed this out because you don't want gravel under there. Let's take a look at these floor mats. The 3D MAXpiders, are they any good? That's a good question. I have not taken them out. I do not know. So there we go. So let's just look here. This is the driver's side. Has the little clips to bolt into the floor so they doesn't slide around. It's got a nice hard surface here, but flexible enough, right? And let's flip it over. It's fibrous on the back, so I don't think it's going to slide around too much. I'm not sure what that's there for. Oh, that's just their branding. Okay, that's fine. And let's jam that in and see how it goes. That's pretty good. It actually creates a well right here because the original floor is just flat. This creates a little bit of a well, and I'm in Canada, and you think, well, why do you want this little thing, this little tripping hazard? It's not a tripping hazard. It's a water catch. It creates a catch basin. So yeah, that's actually better than I thought. Now these floor mats cost me $100 Canadian, which is about 75 US these days because the Canadian dollar is in the tank. Well, most currencies are in the tank against the US greenback right now. Yeah, I like it. I like this well that it creates. I like the texture of the material that's on top. And I like the fuzziness on the bottom that's sticking to the carpet that's here, but not like Velcro. It's just sort of stuck there naturally. Like I said, much better than even the factory. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. It's form-fitting, and this should clip in nicely. Let me just position it a little more, and we're going to be good to go, boys and girls. Let's just snap that in. Yeah, that is going to be a nice floor mat. So the question of, does the MAXpider from the 3D company make a good product? Yeah, I think this is pretty good. Hey, if you like this video, please give us the big thumbs up. Subscribe is also always appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.